Hello health seekers, Inga from Health Origins here. So tonight I've got a super quick and really exciting recipe for you guys. It's dill aioli, so the creamy garlicky goodness with some added dill. So let's begin. So here we have our ingredients. I've got organic smooth or silken tofu here, okay. Then I've got 2 tablespoons of, this is frozen dill, but you could just use fresh, so about 2 tablespoons of chopped dill. I've got some apple cider vinegar here. I've got 2 cloves of garlic, so depending how garlicky you like your aioli sauce, you can add 1 if you're not overly keen on garlic, or 2 or even 3 if you really love garlic. Then I've got some onion powder, of course, my secret ingredient, and some salt, and that is it, guys. So all you need to do is basically you need to put everything in a tall jug, and you know, for the silken tofu I add the water with it as well. There's not much there, but there's some water, so I add the water as well. So just add everything into the tall jug like this. Gonna wash this off with apple cider vinegar, so we're gonna need 1 tablespoon of this. Yeah, add that. Then we have our powders, so I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then a teaspoon of onion powder. I love onion powder, so there you go. And then add our garlic. So it's literally, you know, it's about 5-minute recipe. It takes a little, you know, a little bit to obviously peel and crush your garlic, but other than that, you just put everything together in a jug and blend it. That's it. We've got our creamy, thick, lovely aioli sauce. So we'll do a little bit of taste testing. And now for the taste test. So let's have a little taste test. Really nice and garlicky. Yum. This would go so well with some crackers, on roast vegetables, with some falafels, just in so many different situations. Yummy. And if you're not a fan of dill, then you can absolutely skip it and just, you know, make it without, or add some other herb that you love, for example, experiment. So yeah, so if you make this, let me know how you found it. Did you enjoy it just as much as regular aioli? Have you ever tried that? And what are your other quick and favorite recipes, you know, sauces? Comment down below, and I would love to try and make some on my next videos as well. And this time, guys, I'll say goodbye until the next video, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and selecting that bell button so you get notified when I post new videos, which comes out every Wednesday, and some surprise videos on Saturdays as well. And yeah, share it with your friend if you think they could do with a quick sauce, aioli sauce recipe, which is super yummy, and it's, you know, really healthy because it doesn't have any oil. It's just the tofu itself, so it's low fat version of, you know, your favorite aioli sauce. Okay, so that's it for me for tonight, and see you next time.